The GEEETECH M1S. Could this be the ultimate beginner 3D printer? Let's take a closer look. Unboxing is quick and simple. Mounting the spool holder takes only a few seconds. I printed a 1 kilogram spool holder adapter. The Bowden tube plugs in easily. Power on, and the lights turn on. This is the print head. A huge blower helps improve print speed and cooling. The printer comes with a spring steel PEI build plate. There's also a 2.4-inch color LCD screen. First thing to do, auto leveling. This printer uses fully automatic 16-point bed leveling. You can control the printer directly from the app, which is a really nice feature. I connected the printer to Wi-Fi using the GEEETECH app. The first 3D model that I choose to print is the calibration cube. It's possible to download it directly from the app. I use this beautiful tricolor silk PLA. Inserting the filament into the Bowden tube. And here's the result. The quality looks great right out of the box. The next model was a small baby Dragon Keychain. My own 3D model creation. I sliced the file. Print time was about 53 minutes. Support structures are necessary. Let's start the print. All that's left to do is select the file in the printer. First layer check. Here we go. And here's the result. The quality looks really good. Removing the supports was easy. The color effect from the silk filament looks amazing. But can it print TPU? Let's try it. Loading the filament. And here we go. It actually worked. Removing the supports was a bit harder, but still manageable. And here's the result. The material is soft and flexible, just as expected. Here's another print, Crystal Dragon Egg Keychain, and also a small articulated dragon. The articulation works well and the parts move smoothly. For a beginner-friendly printer, the results are surprisingly good.